All right, boys and girls, we are going to log in to Classlink and then log into Schoology together. So some computers may open up and go straight to the Classlink homepage where you can log in. Others are going to be like this one, where you have to click Student Login and the arrow underneath, and then again you're going to click the circle with the arrow inside. It's going to take a few minutes for it to load, and it should go right to the launch pad for Classlink. Let's give it a minute. Fingers crossed it'll work, and everything will go pretty smoothly with this. Still working, still working. Still working. So if you get this spinning wheel, be patient. And then there is Classlink. Now you might be thinking, oh my gosh, I have to enter my username and password. Don't panic, because down here at the bottom, it says use a QR code. So you would click or sign in using and click on the code symbol underneath. So we click on that. It's always gonna ask you if you wanna allow the camera. So make sure you allow it. Hopefully it will not block it. Hi, how you doing? Now you just take your QR code that I have here. Boom. All right, and then you put that up to the camera. Okay, it takes a picture, and then you're logged in. So you see all the different apps. We have Class Dojo and all the other ones here. So you just go and click on whatever one you want. Now, to get into Schoology, you just click on the S with the blue around it, and it's gonna load, and it's gonna ask something about an extension. Guess what? You don't need that extension. So you can click, don't ask me again, leave me alone, and just click continue to website. Now this is where things get a little more interesting. On your lanyard, you have the QR code on one side and you have your username and password on the other side. So you would turn your lanyard over and get the username and password. So the username and password is going to be your first name, period, last name, and I'm going to put this up so you can't see this first name and last name, because I got to keep my information private, right? And then you do @Seaford. Remember, that's the @ symbol, .k12.de.us. And then you click on next. After that, you got to do it again. Oh my goodness. So once again, I'm going to put this down so you can't see the username and password. Of course, you can let your adults see it, or brothers and sisters who are helping you, but I wouldn't share it with anyone else. All right, so I have the email in there, and then your password, remember, is the first letter of your first name, capital, first letter of your last name, lowercase, okay? And let me see, I gotta get my number. So you guys should have this right there. Okay, let's see if this will work, hopefully, fingers crossed. So then it takes you in. As long as everything is correct, make sure you troubleshoot though if it won't work. So there you have your different courses. Right here is art, which it takes you into. It's not quite loaded yet, so we'll get there. Then we go, there's the teacher's language arts class, math. Let me scroll down. And then we have media, yay! You would click on media, and Miss Bell will have everything loaded by the 8th. I haven't gotten to load everything in all the courses, because remember, I have 21 courses with all the classes. Then you have a home page for the teacher, And then we also have music. We have gym with Mr. Smith, who's so cool. He's got his Bitmoji. Science, social studies. Okay, so that's how you get to Schoology from Classlink. Not a big deal. Just remember to use that that QR code to get into Classlink, and then use your username and password on the other side of your lanyard to get into Schoology. All right, I will talk to you later and see some of you later on your hybrid days. Bye.